CBD doesn't work for me. Believe it or not, we hear it a lot of times. Nothing is wrong with it. It is important to take your time with CBD. Nothing happens overnight, and if you tried it for once or twice, it might not give you the results just yet. Start small. We recommend starting with as little as 10 milligrams per day and grow your dosage gradually until you have your desired results. And here's a great tip. Take a day off. Try CBD for 2-3 nights. If you don't have any results, take a day off and then see for yourself if you have any difference. If you saw the difference but you still are hesitating, try some more. Perhaps your dosage has to be much higher than mine or Klaudia's. You might need a little bit more, like 20-30 milligrams, maybe 40-50 milligrams of CBD per day. Try it out. There's no side effects other than a good and deep sleep. And if it doesn't work, no worries. We're gonna have a great products that are coming. We are testing a lot of products, so if CBD oil is not for you, it's fine. Don't use it. You can still follow us here on Instagram as we share a lot of valuable information that can help you to optimize your day. It's not only CBD related. Remember, you are here to create better days, and that's what we want to provide you with. Tools and tips that can help you to create better days. And if you have any question that we didn't answer in our videos, do not hesitate, send us a DM and let's have a conversation about it.